So hi friends, today we are going to make spinach and mushroom quiche with leftover bread, stale bread using their breadcrumbs. So let's know the ingredients. We will need some bread slices, leftover stale bread slices, onion sliced, chopped spinach, sliced mushrooms, 2 eggs, a little bit of cream, 2 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons of cream, ginger garlic paste, salt, pepper to taste, and we need half a cup of milk and very little butter. So let's start. First we'll grind the breadcrumbs in a food processor. Then we'll add a little bit of butter to it, about 2 teaspoons of butter, and about 1/4 cup of milk. We'll add it to the breadcrumbs in the food processor and then run it again for about a minute so that it all gets incorporated and mixed properly. So then we'll just grease a pie tin with oil and then take out the breadcrumbs that we have made in our food processor, or you can do it by hand also, and then press it gently into the pie tin. You have to line the pie tin, a thin layer all around the pie tin. The base and the side should be nicely coated with these breadcrumbs which have been mixed with milk and butter, and then just prick it with fork so that it doesn't rise, and then because we are then to put it to bake. So just forking it here and now putting it to bake at 180 degrees for 5 minutes. Meanwhile we are preparing the filling. So lightly saute sliced onions and then add ginger garlic paste to it. Saute it for about 30 seconds or so, and then we are going to add mushrooms to it. So just slightly sauteing it in very little oil. I have taken about 2 teaspoons of oil and added the sliced mushrooms to it, and now we saute them again. So just for about a minute or a minute and a half, sauteing it, and then we add the seasoning, salt to taste, a little bit of chili flakes. These are red chili flakes. You can add black pepper powder if you wish to, but I have added chili flakes here. And then here see, I have taken out the pie crust, the base of the quiche, from the microwave. It has been baked for about 5 minutes at 180. It's half done. Okay, I've added spinach here to the mushroom and onion that were sauteed earlier, and we'll just now raise the flame, cook it on high heat so that the water dries up. We don't want water in it, otherwise the quiche base will get soggy. So we'll just we'll saute it and dry out the water from the spinach. And you can see it's on high heat and the water is drying out there. It'll take a couple of minutes before the water dries out. And now once it's done, we switch off the flame, and you can see the water is all dry here, and we'll leave it to cool now. I'm also adding here a spoonful of cream cheese just to give it a nice a texture. So I've just added 1 teaspoon of cream cheese. If you have, you'd add, otherwise leave it. Now I'm whipping the 2 eggs that I had taken and adding cream to those eggs, and adding very little bit of salt and pepper to it, and mixing it all well in a bowl. You can see here I'm seasoning it with black pepper powder, and now I mix this egg mixture into the cooled spinach and mushroom mixture and mix it well. Now I'm pressing it onto the crust of the quiche that I had made with breadcrumbs. I've added it to the tin, you can see, and now I'm going to put it to bake again. I've also seasoned the top with a little bit of chili flakes and mixed herbs, dried mixed herbs, and I put it to bake. And see here, it's ready. It's baked at 180 degrees for another 10 minutes. I baked it and have removed it once it cools down a little from the pie tin, and the quiche is ready and is served. Tasty and very nutritious spinach and mushroom quiche is ready. Enjoy it, friends, and do give it a like if you like the recipe. Thank you all. Bye for now.